Home Remedies presents
Why you should take this tomato juice daily. Did you know that tomato contains compounds that are also responsible for lowering the level of cholesterol found in the blood? This tomato juice recipe is homemade juicy food. It is packed with vitamins and minerals. Lecithin and lycopene are quite high in this tomato juicy food. Both of these substances have anti-cancer properties. One of the most essential ingredients found in tomatoes is lycopene. This lycopene gives the red pigment that gives tomato its color. Due to the very high content of bioflavonoids, this tomato recipe is of great importance to the body metabolism. There is also the presence of beta-carotene, potassium and lots of other great substances for health and beauty. Benefits of tomato juice. Studies has shown that the consumption of tomatoes is important in lowering the risk factors of several types of cancer. Proven through research, it is high in iron and potassium. The iron and potassium content makes tomatoes to be a great food. This high content products in tomatoes is needed by the heart and blood. The lycopene prevents cervical cancer and breast cancer. This makes it a superfood for women. There is a high level of vitamin B6. This is required for the balancing of estrogen and progesterone. High level of vitamin A, B1, C and calcium are found in tomatoes. The optimum functioning and health of the eyes require these vital nutrients. Calcium, magnesium, iron, vitamin A and vitamin C are in high content in tomatoes. These nutrients are essential in calming the nervous system. A natural way to handle stress is through this tomatoes juice. Protect the skin from the harmful effect of sun rays with a natural food is by taking this tomatoes recipe. Regular intake of this tomatoes juice helps in digestion and eventually results in weight loss. Excess fats are taken out along with toxins in the body. Let's see how to make the juice. 4 pounds of ripe garden tomatoes, 2 chopped celery with leaves, half cup chopped onion, 1 teaspoon salt, pinch of black pepper. Preparation. Blend all the ingredients to a fine smoothie and ready to use.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.